How to get an empty tar archive. I am making an RPM in which everything is contained in a spec file. Don't ask, smile. RPM build requires a source file, so I was trying to create an empty tar file. However, if I don't give any file names, tar complains. How do I create a truly empty tar file?
You can force new in BSD tar to create an empty archive with
if you have new tar, either using /dev/null or by reading EOF from standard input. If you don't have tar, an empty tar file is just a file with 10,240 null bytes in it. So to create an empty tar file, you don't even need tar but instead can use either of these. Why does this work? This URL. Physically, an archive consists of a series of file entries terminated by an end-of-archive entry, which consists of two 512 blocks of 0 bytes. At the end of the archive file there are two 512-byte blocks filled with binary zeros as an end-of-file marker. So in practice, it's sufficient to write 1024 0 bytes, 2 times 512-byte blocks, into a file to obtain an empty archive. If we only write 1023 zeros and a single one into a file, tar will complain because instead of 2 blocks filled with all zeros, it only found 1 block with all zeros, the first, while the second was not all zeros. But why not just 1024 0 bytes but 10,240 instead? The reason is blocking or the default record size or the blocking factor. This URL. The default blocking factor is 20. With a block size of 512 bytes, we get a record size of 10,240. And tar will always pad the tarball such that its size is a multiple of the record size. Some devices requires that all write operations be a multiple of a certain size, and so, tar pads the archive out to the next record boundary.
BSD, tar cvf empty.tar from file/dev/null. New Linux, tar cvf empty.tar files from /dev/null. Solaris, tar cvf empty.tar/dev/null.
I was able to create an empty archive by archiving a single file, then deleting the file from the archive. This works for me.
I